Hello everyone, and welcome back to the ARBI BOT Components Preview Series. We're going to dive into the activity history, the place that keeps track of every arbitrage event your bot executes. This feature is essential because understanding how it works will help you quickly interpret the output from your trading bot and make informed decisions. You can access the activity history in two ways. From the dashboard, find the scanner you're interested in. Click the More button, that's the one with the 3 vertical dots. Then select Activity History. This will take you straight to the activity history for that specific scanner. You can also access the activity history from the navigation menu. On the left-hand side, click Activity History button. You'll see a list of all your available scanners. Find the exchange you want and click the Open button to view its activity records. By knowing both methods, you can always get to your trading history quickly whether you're focused on one scanner or browsing all your scanners. Alright, let's start from the top of the page and work our way down. First, you'll see the Back button. This takes you back to the last page you were viewing, so if you came here from the dashboard, one click will return you right there. Next to it, we have the Export Table button. This is super handy if you want to save your activity history for analysis or record keeping. You can export it in multiple formats like Excel, JSON, CSV, or even a plain text file. And right beside that, there's the Refresh button. Clicking it will instantly fetch your most up-to-date activity history, perfect if you're actively monitoring trades and want to see the latest results. Just below the top bar, you'll see the Filters section. Here, you can narrow down your activity history in two ways. First, there's the text filter. This lets you search for specific words or values, for example, a trading pair, an exchange name, or any keyword that appears in your records. Second, there's the date filter. This allows you to set a start and end date, so you can focus on activity from a specific time period, whether it's today's trades or a custom range. By combining these filters, you can quickly drill down to exactly the information you're looking for. Below the filters, you'll find the activity history table. This is where you can see a complete list of all arbitrage events executed by the current scanner. Both successful and failed events are shown here. You can customize the table by adding or removing columns. Just click the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of the table to open the column selection menu. The profit amount and profit percent columns show net values. Net profit means the amount of money remaining after deducting order fees. If you ever see a minus 100% profit, it doesn't mean you've lost all your funds. It simply means the current arbitrage event was not completed and you have either an unfilled order on pair 2 or an open order on pair 3. When there's an unfilled order on pair 2, the remaining amount from pair 1 is added to the bank. The bank monitor manages these leftover amounts and uses them in future arbitrage events. You can tell when an event starts with funds from the bank by checking the status column. If it starts with a green dot, it means a new order has been placed. If it starts with a light sea green dot, it means the order on pair 1 was skipped and funds from the bank were used instead. So, if you see an event with minus 100% profit and right above it there's an event starting with a light sea green dot, it means that second event is using funds left over from the previous event, effectively cutting any losses. Next, we have AMP, which stands for Approximate Maximum Profit. This value estimates potential profit for each arbitrage event based on available market volume, giving you a rough snapshot of the event's profit potential. The status section shows the order status for each of the 3 pairs. Hover your mouse over any of the 3 dots to see the detailed status text. Bank used indicates whether funds from the bank monitor are being used in the current event. Green means funds are from the bank. Red means they are not. The same logic applies to stop loss on pair 3. If it's green, the stop loss was triggered; if red, it was not. Combo type shows the order sides for the current arbitrage event. Elapsed time for pair 1, pair 2, pair 3, and the whole event gives you the exact time taken to place each order and receive a response, as well as the total time for the event. These times can vary based on network latency, exchange load, and system resources. On the right side of each arbitrage event entry, you'll see a small magnifier button. Clicking it will open the event details for that specific entry. Inside the event details page, you'll find all the recorded information about that event, giving you a complete breakdown of what happened during the trade. After each pair name, you'll also notice a candle data button. Clicking it will open the candle chart for that specific trading pair, showing you the exact time of placing the order, including its side and price. This gives you a much clearer visual representation of how the trade played out. And that's the full overview of the activity history component. As you've seen, this feature gives you a clear record of every arbitrage event, successful or not, along with powerful tools like filters, export options, and detailed event breakdowns. By understanding how to read and interpret this data, you'll be able to track your bot's performance and make smarter trading decisions. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out the other videos in our ARBI BOT components preview series. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.